Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. We are well into June and it is a beautiful day. Things are starting to feel normal, or the new normal. Things are starting to open up. I don't know if there's someone outside. I'm right against the window and I feel good. I wasn't feeling good for a long time. I talked about this over and over. And so I don't have too much going on, but I felt like vlogging. So let's do it. It is, let's see, it is 12:45 and I have already worked out, had breakfast, taken a shower, did a little like quick blowout on my hair, did my makeup, and you know, I've accomplished a lot for this life and routine that we're in. Something fun that we've been doing, today is Monday. My sisters come over on Sundays usually to watch 90 Day Fiance, but they started a new season on Monday. So they come over Sunday night and Monday night at around 8 o'clock and we watch 90 Day Fiance, The Other Way, or Happily Ever After, or Before the 90 Days. It's what started as like a COVID quarantine tradition that we all started watching it, and now we do it together, which is really fun. That's all that's on the schedule today. I'm going to do a little bit of cleaning up, tidying up, make some food, and yeah, it's just a day at home with me. So let's make my bed. Excuse me. Let's make my bed and do some stuff. I'm gonna have a smoothie and I'm gonna show you my absolute new favorite smoothie, by far the best smoothie I've had in my life, in my entire life, and it is all thanks to the Arbonne strawberry smoothie. Don't mind this tape, I was taping it shut. Strawberry smoothie mix, guys, it tastes like a Hi Chew or like a Starburst. Incredible. Strawberry is my absolute favorite flavor. Sorry, I'm saying like absolute and the best and blah 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 over and over. Strawberry is my favorite flavor. If you've had a strawberry Malona, it tastes really similar to that. And I'm only having a smoothie for lunch. I had one for breakfast, but because yesterday my stomach hurt. It felt like I did a belly flop. Like it was, I don't know. And my sisters both said that they've had that before. It's just like really bad bloating or something. And Amy Lee told me that today I should just eat mostly like liquids and light stuff. So I'm feeling good, but I don't want to like jinx it or, you know, cause the issue to come back. Anyways, I'm just putting like a bunch of, I froze these strawberries fresh from the package, just like that much. 2 scoops of this strawberry Arbonne powder. My sister-in-law sent this to me and I will never use any other protein powder ever again. And what I love about it is it actually comes, it's pea protein and it has 20 vitamins and minerals already in here. So I'm not even needing to add anything else. And then I add this coconut milk. Blend this baby up. Oh guys, it smells so good. This is delicious. It is seriously the best. It tastes like a milkshake. It tastes like a strawberry milkshake. I could drink this all day. So one thing during this COVID time that has happened to me is I realized I have plantar fasciitis. At first we thought it was a heel spur, but upon further research and looking into this, it's definitely plantar fasciitis. So funny enough, well not funny enough, I was wearing Birkenstocks in the house, I was wearing running shoes like Adidas and Nikes, and nothing was helping. And I actually found that Skechers are the best shoes. They are so comfortable. I know I'm like late on this whole Skechers thing and like maybe they're not like that cool or whatever, but they are the most comfortable shoe ever. This is a PSA to anyone that has to wear shoes in the house or has plantar fasciitis. These ones, they're a little bit dirty. I've actually already washed them once in the machine and they wash really well. This is their Goga Go Walks, I believe it's called. I picked these up at DSW. I don't even know what they're called anymore because the inside has rubbed off. But it's like that yoga material. What was really big was their memory foam. Now it's their yoga material, yoga mat material, and they're amazing. So if you are looking for a good pair of shoes to wear inside that are also washable or whatever, I would go with these. These ones just like slip on really nicely and they're not bad. They're super, super comfortable. Something else I wanted to show you, another adult purchase other than indoor shoes, was that we bought a chest freezer for our place. It fits perfectly in this little laundry room. I reorganized. It doesn't look reorganized, but it's very reorganized. All this stuff like kitchen appliances are in that bin down there. We keep the Instant Pot in there, extra stuff, and yes, cleaning supplies. So we bought this online like 2 weeks ago. It came really fast and I just wanted to show you because I love it and it's a great size. It's 5 cubic feet. It's from Best Buy. And I went to Costco. I thought everything that I bought, I separated all of the meats, but I thought everything that I bought would surely fill this whole thing up, and like look how much room we still have. If you're looking for a deep freeze or chest freezer, honestly, I totally recommend that one. It's amazing and it's great use of space. I'm running out of things to show you guys. Not too much has happened, so I guess I'm just gonna like get to some chores, cleaning up this kitchen from yesterday. We had everyone over and, you know, went to bed after, so cleaning montage starts now. go off. We've been playing this multiple times a day. Throughout COVID, it's like a new thing. He never was really like into like hide and seek or things like that. And now he is, but he gets tired easily. Oh. Look at those paws. Look at the tail. It's 5 o'clock. Oh my gosh, the sun in here is so pretty. But would you like pancakes or no? Cause like it's only 5 o'clock.
I mean, I'm fine with whatever you get.
But it's just sausage and eggs.
That's fine. Is that
No,
too boring? You'll do it?
But if you appreciate the pancakes.
Of course I appreciate pancakes.
I have these delicious gluten-free pancakes that we made like about a month ago. Sorry, I was just admiring how beautiful the sunshine in here is. Where'd my ponytail go? Yeah, I have this really great pancake mix from the grocery store that is gluten-free. Sorry, most of this video is me just walking around talking. And we made it a couple weeks ago and it was delicious. Pancake, we've been doing breakfast for dinner quite a bit during this COVID, but I'll show you the pancake mix. Pancake mix, gluten-free by Dunkerkin. Oops. And it's really good, and it comes with 2 of these bags, which is about the perfect size for, I don't know, like 2 people. I'm really excited because I bought these at Costco. I've been eyeing them for a long time. Got laundry going, but never really had room in my freezer to buy them because, like, obviously, especially during this time, freezer is prime real estate. But now I have this. Oh. These, they're fully cooked sausage rounds. I guess I don't really need to keep the box. Turn off the light. His DINNER time. Oh, yeah. Anyways, so we are going to make some brekkie for dinner. Ready? We got some gluten-free pancakes, some scrambled eggs, and sausages. Oh, look at this little baby. Oh, goober. Goober's on your eye. Let's clean you up. I'm really excited because I just put in an order for some more Arbonne stuff. And actually, as a preferred client, I got a free gift. It's called this Skin Elixir. I'm gonna show you everything that I ordered, and then maybe when I get it in the mail, I'll do like a full review because I'm just loving everything. But I love being a preferred client. I was always a consultant, which is great, and you get the 30% discount, but as a preferred client, I get a 20% discount, but I get a free gift every month. And yeah, it's like, I believe it's like a $70 value. I chose something that I was gonna buy anyways. You pick from a list. Anyways, so my free gift this month was the Arbonne Healthy Skin Elixir Collagen, Skin Elixir Collagen Builder with hyaluronic acid. And I'm just gonna put this in my smoothie. I'll show you what else I got. I got some makeup. I picked up the new Cherry Blossom eyeshadow palette because, let's see, I love these colors. I think that Peak and Nectar, even Blossom are really nice colors, and Sakura, all of these colors I think actually would be really nice. And then I also picked up the Starlit Glow, which is highlighter, and then there is a matte bronze in here that's great for contour. Very excited, as well as I picked up more strawberry protein powder because apparently in America it's all sold out already, so I picked up 2 bags of that. I'm gonna be sad it's a limited edition, so I gotta stock up. Probably gonna start buying like 2 a month for the next little while, so I have a good stockpile going. Anyways, Amy Lee and her husband are gonna come over in a little bit. We're gonna watch our show and have a nice little evening together.
Something that she should have addressed up front before she went down the path of entertaining marriage. It's enough stress.
Next time on 90 Day Fiancé, The Other Way.